Hi everyone, another breakfast idea which is pancake cereal. Fun to eat, so let's begin. I've taken a large bowl, added all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding some baking powder into this. We are going to be going ahead and adding some baking soda as well. And then we will add some castor sugar. In goes in some salt and give it a good whisk. Now let's get the liquid ingredients together. This is regular room temperature milk. To this I'm adding melted butter, 2 tablespoons, vanilla essence and crack an egg. Now give the liquids a good whisk and add all this liquid into the dry ingredients and stir everything together till you get a batter like this. The batter should not be too thick and not too thin. Be sure of the consistency here. Now I've taken a squeezy bottle. Let's fill this entire batter into the squeezy bottle. You don't have to make the batter sit at all. These pancakes have to be made immediately. Now I've taken a non-stick pan, applied a little bit of butter. I'm doing 2 pans simultaneously so that the cereals are done faster. Now these are the larger pancake cereals I'm making. Going ahead, I'll be showing you the smaller ones as well. The smaller ones are a little time consuming to keep turning each one of them because they're really too small. The larger ones, which is this size, is a little easier. Now once the bubbles are formed on the first side, that is the time you know it's time to flip. Do not be in a rush to flip them unless those bubbles are formed. Then you'll get a lovely golden color. I'm just moving them aside and using the pan as it's still hot. Can you see these bubbles? That's exactly what we need to achieve, and that's the time you flip over. And then remove them, keep them aside. So this is the way you can do the bigger ones. Now I will go ahead and I will show you just in the fast forward way how to get the smaller ones done as well. I'm using a small spatula here to just flip them over. You can use 2 skewers or toothpick as well. They are a little annoying if you try to flip them and they don't flip. So you'll just get a hang of it as you keep doing. Now these are the smaller ones. So you can see the bubbles coming up, and now it's time to flip them. So these are little ones. Yes, you need a little bit of patience for these, but they are so delicious and fun to eat. You can serve them plain with butter or maple syrup or any pancake syrup. You could add some chocolate sauce, drizzle. You could add some butterscotch. It's up to you. And they're fun. Again, kids love it. Adults can eat it too. Look at that little tiny cereal, pancake cereal. So if you love pancakes, give this recipe a try and share pictures, tag me, Kitchen Confidence India, and happy cooking.